I am joined by my elephant today. You see what I did there? It's not what I did there. Okay, hey everyone. Quick interruption to give two messages. Number one, terribly sorry for not having posted a video in forever. I think I mentioned it in the comments, but not officially in a video anywhere, so, just letting you guys know, I actually started an internship recently, or about like 2 months ago, to be specific. Yeah, 2 months back, and well, I've been busy. It's been exhausting, and well, when I'm free, I feel dead. So this video you're about to watch, I actually filmed it like early April, but it's been like it's mid-May right now, and I finally found time to edit the video. So I'm really sorry. I promise to try to be more consistent with uploads. Yeah. Also, since then, a lot has happened. I got a trim, and well, my hair may look the same, but I got a trim. It's been growing, and also I've gained some subscribers, which is amazing. So I see you guys. I see you. I appreciate you. Please, let's keep this community growing. Let's keep it growing. Yeah. Without further ado, hope you enjoyed today's video. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having an amazing day. I'm Akshaya, and today I'm going to be doing a one month update on having a Pixie, because today is the 3rd of April, which marks exactly 1 month since I got the Pixie, and I thought I would do an update on what it's been like what my experience was like, as well as share some of the ways that I like to style a Pixie. So let's get into it. Okay, so for the update, what is it like? It's been amazing. I've been having a lot of fun. When I wash my hair, it gets dry so quickly, and that's one thing. Another thing is that it's just been really easy. I was afraid that it would be hard for me to style my hair because it's short and there's not enough. I thought that I couldn't do many styles with my hair, but that's not true, which is why the other half of this video is going to be me showing you some of the ways that I like style my hair. But yeah, am I going to be growing it out anytime soon? I don't think so. There are days where I do miss having my long hair, because I realize how much I play with my hair. Because when I had longer hair, I think I just used to like braid it or twirl it in my hand. I would always be touching my long hair and like just playing with it. Okay, braiding, just playing with it. But with shorter hair, obviously it's not as easy. So that is one thing that I miss at times. But for the most part, I'm still loving having this Pixie, and it's been really easy. Plus, I did start an internship recently, and I feel like I've been so busy, and my days just like fly by. So I barely have time to style my hair. And with the Pixie, most of the styles you'll see that it's very easy to just leave the house with the Pixie. There's not much that I need to do. Plus, I do have straight hair, and it's straight for like most of the time. It tends to wave like for the bangs, but other than that, it's pretty straight, so it's easy to maintain Pixie with this look, with this hair texture. So yeah, hair update. I'm loving it. I will be going for a trim pretty soon, because I think my hair is kind of getting longer at the back, so probably gonna go for a trim. But yeah, other than that, I'm loving it. So if you have any questions, do let me know in the comments down below, and I'll do my best to answer all of them. So let's get into the hairstyles. Okay, so for the hairstyles that I'll be doing, all you're gonna need is comb, hair ties, or for me, I personally like to use these telephone cord. I like to use these telephone cord ones because I feel like they just give my hair a lot more volume. I can barely tie up my hair. I can a bit, but it looks a lot thinner with like the hair elastics, so I prefer to use these. Also, you'll need bobby pins, and if you have maybe thicker hair or curlier hair, I guess you might need hair gel and or hairspray, you know, whatever you like to use. But for me, currently my hair is damp, so I think my hairstyles would work with, you know, this dampness. So let's get into it. Okay, so for the first look, it is the one that I like to do on a daily basis because this Pixie that I got it from this new hair salon. If you saw my previous video, you would know. But I was really afraid that it would be too short and I wouldn't be able to style it. But it turned out perfect. It is long on the top, so I can still do a lot of braids and styles. So I just think it's a lot easier to just not have to do like any fancy style because I can tuck it behind my ear so it stays out of my face. But my go-to style on a daily basis is to not just not do anything, and by that I mean I'll just comb it out. So all I do is get a comb and I just pull or comb my hair back, right? And it's damp, so it kind of stays a little in place. So once I've done that, I just like to part it with my fingers and style it. Part it to one side. And yeah, that's it. Maybe it was like this, like behind my ear, but this is it. This is the typical look that I go for on a daily basis. Like I don't even have to do anything. This is the best part about Pixie for me so far. I barely have to do anything. So this is the look that I go for on a daily basis. That's look number one. Okay, so look number two is a bit more fancy. We're gonna go in with the telephone cord, or you know, hair ties if you like. What I like to do. This is just pigtails, but it's still cute. This is good for days when you just feel like you want to look like Boo from Monsters Inc. So let's get into it. What I like to do is get the comb again, and I get the shorter bangs up in front, so it's just out of the way. I have to fix this lighting. It's so bad. Okay, I put the blinds down a bit. I think that it looks better now, I think. Okay, anyway, back to the hairstyle. Again, pull the bangs out of the way. And if you like, you can do like, you know, part it. So I just usually don't care, but you know, for today, to look neater. Why is this lighting just... Okay, so I do that, and all I'm gonna do is tie the pigtails. Okay. I may or may not have collected equal amount of hair on both sides. So I'm sorry about that if you have OCD. But yeah, this is the pigtails that I do. When do I use this? You do this hairstyle if I'm just going down to the store, or like I said, if I want to feel like Boo from Monsters Inc. This is very cute and simple hairstyle that I like to do every now and again. Next one. Oh, so this is hairstyle number two. Okay, so for hairstyle number three, it is the same, kind of the same procedure. It's just that we're gonna do with one hair tie. And this is the look that I like to go for when I'm doing like workouts, or you know, just I need to get the hair and stuff flying into my face. So what I do is just grab everything, pull it up, and you know, grab as much as I can really, and tie it up into a ponytail. That's what that looks like. There's not much that you can do. This isn't a very flattering hairstyle either because it's just tugging on your hair, but it gets hair out of your face, and this is the one that I like to do if I'm running errands or I just need to work in peace, you know, like I said, without my hair in my face. So this is hairstyle number three. Okay, so for the next look, this is something that I like to do if you're trying, this, for the next look, this is something that I like to do when I'm just trying to look more put together, you know, because I just think that it looks more presentable, and what it is bobby pins. I'm just gonna clip the sides of my hair. I think it's just a good look if you're going to work as well, just, you know, want to look cleaner. It's a more cleaner look. So again, I'm just going to part my hair to the side of my preference and comb the back so it looks neater. And get a bobby pin. And I'm just going to clip the side. And I'm going to do the same thing to the other side. You know, I thought if I got a pixie cut, I wouldn't have as much hair fall, but I still have it. It's sad, but it's fine. I just want to say really quick, I'm sorry for the background noise because there's just a lot of traffic outside and I cannot do anything about it. So I'm sorry about that if it bothers you. But anyway, this is the next look. Okay, we get runaway pieces like this at times. I just try to tug it behind my ear, or you know, just forget about it. But yeah, this is the fourth look. Okay, so for this last hairstyle, this is the one that I did immediately the day I got the pixie. If you saw the video, you will know. I tried to braid my hair and I could. So this is what the next look is. All you're gonna do is do a Dutch French braid on both sides of your hair, but you can choose if you want to do it like middle parted, or I do like to do it this way as well. I think it's so nice. So I'm gonna teach you how to do that. Grab some hair at the tippy top. Do hope you can see this because my hair is dark. So yeah, you grab hair at the top and you're going to split it into 3 sections as you would with any braid. And all you're going to do is get the middle over the right and the middle, the new middle, over the left. So that's the beginning. Now you're going to start adding pieces. So you're going to grab some hair from the right, add it to the right section, and then bring the middle over the right. And again, you're going to grab hair from the left, add it to the left section, get the middle section, bring it over the left. So again, add hair to the right section, get the hair from the middle section, bring it over the right. Again, you're going to add hair to the left section, get the middle section, bring it over to the left. So you're just going to keep doing this until you cannot do it anymore. Alright, so once you reach the bottom, you can choose to tie it up, but for me, I just go in straight with my bobby pin, and I just clip that up, pin it, clip. So yeah, that's the right side. That's what it looks like. What's happening to my voice? Hello? Okay. So yeah, this is the braid, and you're gonna do the same thing to this side. So again, once you've reached the end, you get your bobby pin. Mine has disappeared. Oh, it's here. You get your bobby pin and you're just gonna pin it away. Tuck the rest of the hair pieces just behind. I feel like I maybe didn't do a good job for this side. Did I? I'm not sure. It's hard to grab the pieces, you know? Okay, and this is kind of fattening up. But yeah, if you're neater, maybe it will look better. But this is it. This is the last look. This is look number 5. I think it's look number 5. But yeah, these are the hairstyles I like to do. I guess you could do this if you're going for a workout as well, but it just takes a lot of effort for me. So yeah, I don't. But yeah, these are the hairstyles that I like to do with my Pixie, the hairstyles that I have been doing with my Pixie, and it's been fun. So I hope this video was helpful in some way. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.